Hello and welcome to my channel. Tonight we're going to be doing a quick Valentine's Day inspired makeup or just a date night makeup. Right here I'm starting off with a 5 minutes everyday makeup. Just came home from work. My eyebrows are done and I have some foundation on. And I'm just going in and adding some concealer to highlight my face. So if you're going to do this process, guys, it's going to take a lot of blending. I'm using a shade that's a little too light for me because the shade I normally use just seemed dark for me today. I don't know why. So I'm using this lighter shade of concealer. And I'm also going to be concealing and just cleaning up my eyes. Next, not my eyes, but my eyebrows. Just cleaning that up, making sure it's nice and neat. And then I'm going to be adding some beignet powder to my under eyes. Just all the places where I put the concealer, I'm going to add some powder to it just to set the concealer in my face. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using colors from this beautiful palette that was given to me by my girlfriend in a Maid of Honor proposal box. I'm also using that really dark chocolate shade in the crease of my eyes. I'm not sure what the name of that shadow is called because all the writings are gone off of it. But I'm also using that same brown shadow to contour my nose and around the perimeter of my face. So from that same palette, I'm using this beautiful purple shimmer eyeshadow. Just putting a little bit on. I'm not a big fan of eyeshadows, but I had to use that palette because the colors are so beautiful. So right here, guys, this is the highlight of this entire makeup process. I got these off eBay. I'm going to put the link in the description. They are amazing. It goes on like nothing and comes off like butter. I'm telling you, I love eyelashes. I love my eyelashes. I'm always putting mascara on, but I'm never able to put on fake lashes until this day. Okay? So just see how easy this process is. This comes with 2 eyeliners, 5 pairs of lashes, and a tool to put it on. Easy. Right here, I'm just putting the eyeliner on real quick, and you're gonna see how easy this thing goes on. Now, on the site where I got this, they have different kinds. So it's not all this big glam one. There are other kinds that are a little smaller. Oh my gosh. What do I look like? I think it's really long. Oh my gosh. That is so easy. That is absolutely easy. But I think it's just too long for me. So I am going to cut it. I'm going to grab some scissors and I'm going to trim it. No, I'm not following any guidelines and I don't feel bad because I have like 4 more in here. But if you look at the hair, on here, they have some short ones right here that starts right here. So I'm just going to cut them all to that length. This was just so easy, and I think it was like $15 free shipping, and there was 5 of them in there. So I was like, let me just try it. One day, someday, I might need it. If not, at least I can do it on someone's when I do their makeup and just gift it to them. So I'm just reapplying a little bit more of the eyeliner. Just give it a second to dry. Let's go back with it. Especially after I trimmed it. And I think that will be the fun in getting these. You can definitely get this pack. trim them to different lengths. And I think what I would do with another one is I will go in and tweeze some of the hair out to just kind of give it like a natural, super natural look. And then I would trim it too. But I like it. I like it shorter. So let me pop the other one on. Let me put the other one on. I'm saying pop as if, like, I never would have said pop because wearing eyelashes is never fun for me. It's never something I've been able to do effortlessly. But today, man, check me out. Okay, I'm gonna do this one here as well. I'm actually just gonna try to pop this one on using my fingers and not using the tool. Because it literally starts to stick the second it touches the glue. OMG. Never would have thought. This would not be an everyday thing. I don't understand how people can wear fake lashes every day. And right now I'm just doing this to kind of blend in my own eyelashes with it. It's gonna take a lot of getting used to. I like how easily it comes off. I don't have to worry about me like pulling off my own eyelashes, which I would cry if that happened because I love my eyelashes. I just look like Marita on the set of something, not like Marita walking in her everyday life. Yep. Today, guys, I am busting out my big girls powder. So this is a Clinique powder. I started liking Clinique when I used to do in-store modeling for Macy's. I would get crazy amount of like Macy cash, like store cash. And one day I thought, let me just try their makeup. And I tried the powder because yes, it was the cheapest thing on there. And I absolutely love this powder. So I've been using it ever since college. The end of the year 2019, I got this one. And I still have it because I don't use it much. Ever. So this is all I'm going to use. That's it. This is it. So we have to like dab it here. And blend in. Everything. Blend everything in. I have an aunt who used to take me to like auditions and stuff. And every time we'll go to audition, like she won't, like I won't do crazy amount of makeup, but the only thing she would want me to do was line my lips. She'd be like, line those lips. And she'll like grab her lip liner from her little makeup bag in her car. She has to watch this video. I'm going to send her this video. She'll like grab her little makeup bag and like get her lip liner off. Like, line those lips, line those lips. You have to line those lips, girl. So this one is for you. I'm going to highlight today using this Wet n Wild palette. Guys, again, I'll always say this. My makeup has a range of prices. Know that makeup does not have to be expensive. Makeup does not have to be anything that like causes you to break the bank. This is the shade that I use over here. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just run it down the center of my nose. Yep. And I didn't do anything with the baby hair, just kind of left it soft. Nothing much has to be done. I just threw on a dress, nothing fancy. My same old regular everyday watch. My everyday regular beautiful Meekness Beauty earrings that I love. And I just threw on this dress. And my lashes look phenomenal. And I did that myself. my blush is just sitting here looking at me, so I'm just going to do a teensy tiny dip of blush. Just bring some color to my face. I wanted to use a setting spray. This one is by Maybelline. I know this is probably, again, another, I don't know the regular price for it. I think I paid $3 for it just because a store in my area was going out of business and they had this on sale. And this is just called the Master Fix Face Studio. This is how you take your 5 minutes everyday makeup to an evening glam makeup. So thanks for watching this video. My nephew just told me we have a Super Bowl party happening today in my house, so I guess I'm Super Bowl ready. If not, I would just freeze myself and just be Valentine's Day ready. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Right back there is my coat. I'm about to step outside and get some pictures, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.